Chevy Red Chevelle. Damn, nigga, what? Turbo thrusters made straight. Down in hell, feeling fucked. Playing chicken, doing burnouts, hitting donuts, pulling up. 16 grand that auto chop shop for some bucks. She later treat her like a thing it broken by a slut. People push your buttons, but it's only if you open up. Loosen up, then giddy up. Vroom up in them guts. You sell out, then you fake. You stay broke, then you real. I be true to myself all day. Fuck your feels. Different cities, different girls, different drugs, different feels. Out in Europe, foreign's normal, same me, different wheels. They be staring while I'm staring. My apparel, her pill. Tight screech, whip on fleek. In my way, then get them killed. She on me, she on me. You inside, I'm in the field. Hate on me, hate on me. You just need some time to heal. Bands, bags, and bitches, ooh, they dislike my attitude. Head a cow, fit on move, swaggin' swollen to the loot. Ain't my brother, then he fool. Don't be trying me like a fool. Counting bread while getting head, nigga independent too. 93 Chevy Red Chevelle, damn, nigga what? Turbo thrusters made straight, down in hell, feeling fucked. Playing chicken, doing burnouts, hitting donuts, pulling up. 16 grand that auto chop shop for some bucks. She later treat her like a thing it broken by a slut. People push your buttons, but it's only if you open up. Loosen up, then giddy up. Vroom up in them guts. Vroom up in them guts. Vroom up in them guts. Send up pieces, Mona Lisa's, bratty bitches, queens and divas. Coke up in my hoe, full metal jacket. Dick up in my hoe, drugs got me savage. Lying to my bitch, truth make a rabbit. Lying to my bitch, truth make a rabbit.